We do content creation for a living. We have a page called My Davis, California. This local page has about 45,000 followers, and today we're filming a video for the Davis Farmers Market.
We're going to show you everything from the concept to filming all the way up to the final post with all the analytics included. Come along with us. Let's go.
Picture.
It's at an angle, bro. It's at an angle.
You can see by the gear we're all Davis Farmers Market out. It is their 50th anniversary. This is incredible. They actually reached out to us to do a few different videos for them. This is the first one we're doing, and it's for an event that they have called Picnic in the Park.
It's a very, very, very popular event. It happens in the spring and summer. I don't know if they really need more help promoting it, but it doesn't hurt. But this is probably one of the most popular events that happens in downtown Davis. And yeah, because it's the 50th anniversary, they're having us spread even more marketing about it. So we're going to be making a video highlighting the event, talking about all the food and drinks that you can get. You can set up, listen to some music, have a nice little picnic. It's going to be great.
Yeah, there's definitely no reinventing the wheel here. It's kind of just showing what's happening. We have a play called just telling people what happens or telling people what's going on really goes a long way. And the Davis Farmers Market's super powerful. So there's something to take away from this is collaborate with things around you because you never know what the heck happens.
Especially these well-established ones too. This is, again, one of the biggest farmers markets, if not the most popular farmers market in the US. So this is a great platform for us. Hopefully it helps the farmers market get the word out, and it should be fun. I mean, it's a beautiful day in Davis.
Let's go. Off to make the video.
Right, we have secured all of the food and all the drinks. We had a spending budget. They gave us some money to buy this stuff so that way it could be used for the video. We got some pizza, we got a tri-tip sandwich, we got some beer from a local brewery. So now what we're going to do is essentially just capture the eating part of the video, get some of the overall atmosphere and ambiance of the event. It's a beautiful evening. It's perfect outside. There's so many people hanging out and having a good time in the park. But yeah, we're just going to be essentially collecting a lot of B-roll. I think this video is going to be a voiceover just because there's so much information. Yeah. We don't want to get it wrong.
All the things out of our control are perfect. There's people here, the weather's perfect, and there's a lot. And I think there's value to voiceover as long as your story's good enough. And
what better story is this?
Yeah, this is just like we said earlier, just telling. So yeah, we just need to get some good B-roll, and I think we'll be able to make a good video.
We're going to be looking for just people having a good time, us interacting with vendors, us eating food, us drinking beer, and anything else that comes up. So it should be pretty exciting. We're going to start eating this food now before it gets cold. That way it looks good on camera.
This is a great event, and yeah, again, as always, you're going to see the posts that we make from this. So.
Updates after execution, pitfalls, unexpected pivots, etc.
There you go. That's everything you're about to hear right now. We are chasing sunlight, and we are just finishing off. That was a really, we get pleasantly surprised a lot.
That's a great way to put it. Yeah.
We are not cool at all. Let's be clear about that. But everyone made us feel cool.
Really.
So everyone was really nice and
got some free bread.
Gave us chocolates and just were super friendly to us. So it was really good. I think it's great. We got a lot of B-roll, a lot of fun interactions.
Yeah.
It's just going to be about putting it together, I would think.
So this video will have a faster turnaround. They need this by Monday next week. It's currently Wednesday, so we have to flip this and have it to them by tomorrow or Friday, so that way they can get it approved, make any edits. But yeah, we are going to do a voiceover of some kind, and then yeah, just use all the footage that we got, and then we'll be sharing the results of the video.
Yeah.
So,
Not a tough shoot. Again, this is one where I don't know. We're not cool, but some of the work we've done in the past made the work today a little bit easier. So.
how do you think this video will do?
I think it'll do pretty good. I'm gonna say it does 50,000 views is my guess.
Okay, let's hope for at least that. By the time you're seeing this video, you will know the answer to that. So here come all of the results.
We thought Davis couldn't get any cooler, but then we heard this news. One of the most iconic, if not the most iconic farmers market is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. The Davis Farmers Market is turning 50 and they are absolutely celebrating in style. To start off this incredible year, Picnic in the Park has started significantly earlier than it normally would. If you haven't been to Picnic in the Park before, it might just be one of the best ways to spend your Wednesday evening. Every Wednesday from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m., the market will have music, tables, and special vendors that are only here on the Wednesday market. The event is without a doubt one of the best activities you can regularly partake in each week. Need some ideas of where to start? We got you. We recommend showing up early so you can get some food from any of the amazing vendors. There are a variety of options to choose from, so you can try a different meal each week. The best part, you can even mix and match. If you want pizza and barbecue, no one will stop you from doing that. On top of that, there's always a local brewery and local wine vendors that will sell drinks for you to enjoy with the nice weather and music. And it wouldn't be a picnic in the park if you didn't spend some time in the park. It's so nice to sit in the grassy area while just taking in the music, community, and amazing food. It's the best way to unwind, have some great food, and enjoy one of the best atmospheres in Davis.
This is our setup right now. We're gonna selfie cam this. The struggle is real.
Richard bought a napkin to hold his phone
I
up.
think I got this for free from a bank. It's very resourceful.
This is the channel you're following.
Thanks so much for watching. YouTube thinks you may like one of the videos in this link, so please click and subscribe. Thanks so much.